to my channel. Okay, today I want to teach us how to fix a cam collar for a 2-year-old. Alright, so but before then, I have this video, this channel. Okay, on this channel I am teaching how you can start and grow your YouTube channel. I'm sharing my 4 years experience on YouTube, 3 years on YouTube. So join me on this channel, subscribe. There's a link in the description below. Click the link and join me on this channel, okay, so that you will learn how to start and grow your own YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Let's go into our class. Right, so for us to be able to get the neck for this vintage shirt, right, I'm going to show you the simple formula we're going to use. We're going to first of all measure this neck to know the length of this neck. All right, so you can simply fold the neck into two and measure. That will give you a more accurate measurement. So I'll fold it into like this, then I will measure it. So what we have is 7, all right, that is 14. So but when I'm drafting the pattern for this neck, I'm not going to use the whole 14, all right, and I will show you why when we are fixing the neck. So since the length of the neck is 14, I'm going to minus, since a child, okay, I'll minus 2 inches from it, and that will become 12. So I'm going to fold this paper into 2 and what? Draft the neck, okay. So since it is 12, we're going to use 6 here. Next, I folded this 22, so we're going to use 6 here, okay. Since it is 12, so watch carefully how I'm going to draft this pattern. Make sure you have a straight line here. So we'll measure the 6. This is the 6. The 6 we are going to measure. All right. Take it up and still measure 6 so as to get a straight line. This is 6. Alright. Now, since it's a child, we are going to mark the height of it to be 2 inches. Alright. Height of it to be 2 inches. So 2 inches will still do what? We'll still join this point to this point together. Alright. Then we'll come up here by 3/4 inch, okay. We'll mark 3/4 inch here, and then we'll blend it using our French curve, alright. Now see, this is the neck we have for this baby. So simply go ahead and cut this out. Cut a little bit away from the mark, okay. And here we also cut away, leaving about a 1/2 inch allowance for what? For the seam. You can see I'm cutting a little bit away from the line, okay? You see this? This is the neck. Alright. So go ahead and use the material to produce the neck. So the next thing for us to go to the machine, stitch 1/2 inch here, 1/2 inch here, alright? So having done that, we'll turn it over, alright? And then we will hem this part, okay? And we will weave it. So you can see I've closed it. I'll now go ahead to weave it, alright? Alright, so now this is the neck. So we are simply going to fold it by 2 and mark the center, alright? So this is how we're going to stitch it. We're going to stitch it to. So I'm also going to mark the center of this top. So I'll hold the 2 tops, this thing together. Then I'll notch the center here. I've already notched it, okay? So watch how I am going to fix this neck. This where I made a notch will be where there's a notch here as well, okay? And I'll stitch to one side and stitch to the other side. Let me see this. Now pay close attention to what I'm going to do here. I'm going to mark the allowance here between where the collar stops here to the end here. I'm going to measure it. If you measure, you have 1, alright? So I'll come over to this side and also check where I have 1. Okay, where I have 1 is where I'll start stitching from this side. So this is where 1 is, okay? So I'll start stitching from here. Back to the center. Right, so we're almost done with this collar, with this camp collar. The next thing now is for us to close it. We now turn this. Can you see where this notch is? You turn this way and then run a stitch. Do the same thing on the other side. Just notch it a little here. Come to this side, also from this notch forward behind this way. Okay, fold it in like this, also fold it in, okay, like this, okay. So we can choose to, from here, keep a little hemming gum inside here and iron it so it lies flat. Right, so after that we're going to stitch it here. You want to top stitch here, all right? When we are done top stitching, we now head over the iron to iron it properly, and then we'll hem the down, okay? After hemming the down, we are done with this video, okay? So all we need to do now is just to hem the down part. Right, so and since it's a child, we'll open it here by just 2 inches. We'll give you one. We'll open it here by just 2 inches. So this is 2 inches, open it by just 2 inches. Since it's for a child, so open both sides by just 2 inches. So I'm going to mark where my 2 inches is here. I'll mark from here to where there's 2 inches because I'm going to open it. Alright. I'm going to iron it properly. You see this, guys? Very powerfully done.